Wagwan people, welcome back again to another video. Alright, so today we're gonna talk about the self-destruct message in the GB WhatsApp. Alright, so for me personally, I use the FM WhatsApp, but FM WhatsApp and the GB WhatsApp are basically the same. So the self-destruct message is a kind of message where you send it to somebody, and as soon as the person read that message, it automatically becomes deleted. Understand? Alright, so the person won't have any other trace of the message or anything like that. You understand? Well, I haven't really tried sending a message to somebody who has GB WhatsApp already and has the anti-delete message settings turned on. I haven't really tried that as yet, so I wouldn't know if the self-destruct messages work for people who have GB WhatsApp. Alright? So anyhow, I'm going to show you how to send a self-destruct message. I'm going to show you how to turn it on and to turn it off. You understand what I say? Yes, so stick around and you will see what time it is. Alright, so first thing first, in order to send a self-destruct message, you guys would need to be using the GB WhatsApp or even the FM WhatsApp because they are the same. You understand what I say? So if you don't have the GB WhatsApp, go check out my other video, how to download GB WhatsApp. I'll put the link to that video in the description of this video. Alright, so for me personally, I'm using the FM WhatsApp, but you guys know the GB and the FM WhatsApp are basically the same. They have the same settings. You understand what I say? So if you are using whichever one of them and you don't have the self-destruct option, all you have to do is just update your app. You understand? Just update your GB WhatsApp and you will be able to send self-destruct messages. Alright, so I'm going to just go ahead and send a message right now to somebody and show you guys how to turn on or turn off the self-destruct settings. So first, you would need to be texting that person for the first time. So I'm gonna just text Andre like right now. Alright, so here we go. After you do that, you type the first letter and then there goes the icon. The icon is already in blue. That means that it is on. So if you turn it off, turn off self-destruct messages. See, so it turn off now because there's a line through it. So that's just how you turn it on and turn it off. There we go, self-destruct messages. Destroy the text message you sent after the message is read by recipient. Okay, alright, so I'm going to just go ahead and text Andre. Andre is usually a person who replies fast. Him phone always up and running. So alright, send him the first message. There we go. Alright, and you see that? Him come online and him read the message and the message is deleted same time. Alright, and you see that? Alright, so him see the message and him read it and him know what is on the message, but the message is self-destruct. That means if you want to send somebody a message and you don't really want them to keep that message, you can always use this setting. Alright, so I'm gonna just turn off the setting now and text him now, and then I'm gonna say I'm gonna reply now. He must have wonder what go on WhatsApp, you know. So I text him now. Alright, so as soon as see him reply, see him type now. Because him just see the message, he must have wonder what go on. So I see my reply. Yeah. Alright, so that's it guys. I hope you guys like the video. I hope the video helped you. If you do like the video, please don't forget to give it a like. And please subscribe to the channel for more great new future content. So until next time, stay safe people.
So just exit out. Yeah.
Yeah.